Good day, everyone. So today we'll be doing January 2017, paper 2, number 1. So if you look at this question, it says use a calculator, otherwise calculate the exact value of 3.5 multiplied by 1 and 2/3, all divided by 4 and 1/5. So when you see a question like this, you can either, well, they say use a calculator otherwise. So I'll show you how to use a calculator. Now on your calculator, you're looking for the A, B over C button. That means you're over. It means to be put over button, right? You'll hear me say over button. Right, so we have 3, when I say over, it'll look like this, 3 over 1 over 2. So you put open bracket, 3 over 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 over 3, close bracket. This tells the calculator I want you to do the multiplication first, okay? Or the top part first, and then you're going to put all divided, right? Remember, this over button means to divide, okay? 4 over 1 over 5. If you put this in your calculator, so open bracket, 3 over 1 over 2 multiply by 1 over 2 over 3, close bracket, divided by 4 over 1 over 5, press equal, you're going to get equal to 1 and 7 over 18. So that's the answer. Right now I'm going to show you how we would do it manually, because in the most recent years that I've been doing, we have seen that they just only calculate the value of, calculate the exact value of, right? So first things first, you see all of them are mixed numbers. I would convert them to improper fractions. So 3.5 would be 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 over 2. Right? 1 and 2/3 would be 1 3 is 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 over 3, and 4 and 1/5 would be 4 5s are 20 plus 1 is 21 over 5. So first off, we have to multiply. 7 over 2 multiplied by 5 over 3. Right. If we compare numerators and denominators, we can see nothing can go into nothing there. So you have 7 5s are 35 and 2 3s are 6. Right, so you could always check on your calculator. 7 over 2 multiplied by 5 over 3. Right, you do get 5 and 5 over 6, which is 35 over 6, right? Then you're going to say 35 over 6, all divided by 4 and 1/5, which is 21 over 5, right? When you have something like a division, let's just go to the side, it'll be 35 over 6, your division sign turns to multiplication, and 21 over 5 now turns, sorry, this is over 6, right? It'll turn to 5 over 21, and then you compare your numerators and denominators. What number could go into 35 and 21? 7. 7 3s are 21 and 7 5s are 35. Then you compare the numerators and denominators. No, you're going to get 5 5s are 25 and 6 3s are 18. Now my numerator is larger than my denominator, so this is an improper fraction, so I have to convert it to a mixed number. How many times 25 could go into 18? 25 could go into 18 1, and what is the remainder? I will assume it's 7, but let's check. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So my remainder is 7. So that is how I get 1 and 7 over 18. Right? The remainder is your new numerator. And that is how you do this question. This is 2 marks. So again, you can either put it in your calculator like this or do it manually. Alright, this question, I would say to use my calculator. 5.47, this is what you're going to put minus the square root of, open bracket, 0.1014 divided by 1.5, close brackets. So let's just check and see. So when you put this like this in the open and close brackets, it's telling the calculator to find the division. Divide these two first and then find the square root of that entire thing, right? So it is going to be 5.47 divided by the square root of, open bracket, 0.1014 divided by 1.5, close bracket. And when you do this, you're going to get equal to, hold on, I made a mistake. I put divided. Right. Okay, so when you do this, your answer is going to be 5.21. Or you can check it back. You can do this part first, say the square root of, open bracket, 0.1014 divided by 1.5, close bracket. You know that this itself, right? This part here is 0.26, right? Right? And then we have 5.47 minus 0.26, which is 5.21. Right? And that would be your answer. Right, so you could always just do this just to show some sort of working instead of just using the calculator, right? But again, you can always just use, because they said use the calculator otherwise, right? So that's how you would do this question. Part B. The table below shows the number of tickets sold for a bus tour. Some items in the table are missing. So 5 by the cost of one ticket, and this is the total cost, right? Calculate the value of P. So we want the value of one ticket, right? That is what P is. So we know that if 5 tickets cost $130.50, remember in your if then therefore we have a left hand side, right hand side. We are trying to find money, so you know that your right hand side would be money. So if 5 tickets is that, then one ticket would be $1.30 and $130.50 divided by 5. 130.5 divided by 5 is equal to $26.10, right? And that would be the cost or the value of P. They said calculate the value of Q. Q is the total cost. All right, so we know that one ticket is equal to, how much was it? That was $44.35. Right? And what is the total number of tickets they bought? Total number of tickets they bought is 14. So if one ticket is that, then 14 tickets would be equal to $44.35 multiplied by 14, right? 44.35 multiplied by 14 is equal to, so Q is $620.90. That's how you would do this one. And let's go to the last one. They said an adult ticket is twice the cost of a youth ticket. Calculate the value of right R. So we see that the adult ticket is twice the cost. Right here. The adult ticket is twice the cost of the youth ticket, right? Right. So we know the youth ticket, the cost of a youth ticket is equal to, if I'm not mistaken, $44.35. 44.35. So your adult ticket, if it's if your adult ticket is equals twice times 44.35, right? Let's just do it. 44.35 multiplied by 2 is equal to $88.70. That would be the cost of your adult ticket. They say calculate the value of R. So if we put that in, let's put $88.70. So we know the cost of one ticket is $88.70. They want to know how much tickets you would buy with $2,483.60. Right? So let's do if and then, if then, therefore. So if $88.70 is equals to one ticket. Again, this is if then, therefore. We're trying to find the number of tickets. That is why your left hand side is tickets, right? So if $88.70 is equal to that, then $1 would be 1 over 88.70. And therefore, we're trying to find out for $2,483.60, which is 1 over 88.70 multiplied by 2483.60 over 1. Right? And when you divide this in your calculator, you'll get 28 tickets. So the value of R is 28. Right, now let's read your last question. A bus company pays tax on 15% of each ticket. So calculate the taxes paid on the bus company, by the bus company. So okay, so in this question, we need to find out what is the total, right? The total value of all the tickets, right? The total value of all tickets, which would be $130.50 plus $620.90, which is for your juvenile, plus $2,483.60. When you add this all up, you're going to get $3,235. Right? Yeah, so this is how much when you add it up. Now they're saying that they want to know calculate the taxes paid. Now this is your original. How much is your original? 100%. This is before any change, right? So if 100% is equal to $3,235, then 1% would be $3,235 divided by 100. Remember, it's always left hand side divided by right hand side, right? On your if line. So if you look at the right hand side is 100 on your if line, and your left hand side on your if line is 3,235. Therefore, they want to know what is 15%. 15% is going to be 3235 over 100 multiplied by 15 over 1. Right? This is 15, not 25. Let me just erase this. 15. That's 0.0. When you when you put this in your calculator, you're going to get $485.25. And that would be the answer for this question. Right, okay, and that is the end of January 2017, number 1.